Hello, Nisi Closet here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a granny scarf. And I'm going to use Yarn Bee Sugarwheel yarn, and the color is Go Go Cocoa. And it's a number 4 weight. I'm going to use an eye hook. And I'm going to enjoy showing you how to do this. And it's 100% acrylic. That's what I was looking for, 100% acrylic, okay? And it's so pretty. I like these colors. So let's get started. You do it the width you want. It's 3 plus 3 plus 6. So I'm going to do 27. You can do 27 or 30. I'm going to do 27. And I may use more than just the one cake. I'm not sure yet. It depends on how long you want it. So I did 27 chains. And what we're going to do, we are going to do 3 double crochets in the 6th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to skip 2 chains. Skip 2 chains and do 3 double crochets in the next chain. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 2 chains and do 3 double crochets again. And do this all the way across until you get to the last 3 chains. And I will meet you at the end. When you get to the last 3 chains, you're going to skip 2. 1, 2, and you're going to double crochet in the last chain. You're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to turn your work. And you're going to do 2 double crochets in the first space, because the chain 3 space also counts as a double crochet. So I've done 2 double crochets. You're going to skip the chain 3, the 3 double crochets. You're going to skip the 3 double crochets and you're going to go into the next space and do 3 double crochets. And you're going to repeat. You're going to repeat doing 3 double crochets in all the spaces. And when you get to this last space here, you're going to do 2 double crochets and then you're going to chain 3 in this top chain here. I'll show you. Okay, I'm at the last space on the 2nd row and I'm going to do 2 double crochets. 1, 2. So 2 double crochets in this space, and then you're going to do a double crochet on top of the chain 3 space. This is the chain 3. And you're going to go to the top of the chain 3 and you're going to do a double crochet. Next thing you're going to do is chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to turn your work. Now, you're going to do 3 double crochets in the first space, the first opening. And you're going to repeat across until you get to the last space here. You do your 3 double crochets, and then you're going to double crochet on top of the chain 3 space. That's what you're going to do. You're going to do 3 double crochets in all the spaces, and when you get here, you're just going to double crochet on top of the chain 3 space. I'm on the 3rd row, and I just completed my last 3 double crochets in the 3rd row. And like I said, we're going to double crochet on top of the chain 3. The very top of the chain 3, we're going to double crochet. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn our work, and just like we did in the 2nd row, we're going to do 2 double crochets. And then we're going to do 3 double crochets in the next space. And we're going to repeat across to the last space, and that's where you do 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet on top of the chain 3 space. So really all you're doing is repeating rows 2 and 3. At this 4th row that we were working on, I'm now at the end, and you do the same thing you did in row 2. You do 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet on top of the chain 3. Right on top of the chain 3, you do a double crochet. And you chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you repeat row 3. See, this is row 3 right here. We did row 2. This is 2, and this is 2. That's row 2. Now we're going to do row 3. And we're going to do 3 double crochets in the first space. And we're going to repeat across. We're going to repeat across until you get to the end. And when you get to the end, what you're going to do is you're going to do a double crochet on top of this chain 3 space. We're getting to the end. This is the last open space. And now we do a double crochet on top of the chain 3. You skip these 2 double crochets and you double crochet on top of the chain 3. And that's it. You chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you repeat row 2 again with the 2 double crochets. So all you have to do is look back and you see how it repeats. Okay, this is 2, this is 3, this is 2, this is 3. And you just repeat because now you're going to go to row 2. All right? Continue on. I'm going to continue on and then I'll show you how my scarf is looking. All right? I'll see you when I get to whatever length I want to get to, or just to show you how it's looking. And I'm pretty sure you're going to do a great job because all this is double crocheting. I'll see you when I come back. I'm just about finished with the scarf, with the granny scarf, and I'm working on the row 2 stitches. Okay, so I'm just about finishing up the row 2. I'm going to do 2 double crochets, and then I'm going to do 1 double crochet on the top of the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do 1 double crochet. And I'm going to chain 3 because now I'm working on the last row. And on the last row, I'm going to do 3 double crochets in every space. You see that? I'm doing 3 double crochets in every space. So when you finish making your scarf, make sure your last row is row 3. Because remember, you're repeating row 2 and row 3. And I believe I'm going to put some tassels on. That's my plan, to do tassels. Some people like tassels, some don't. It depends on the person. Okay. So now I'm going to go into this chain 3 space right here. And I'm going to do 3 double crochets. And then I'm going to do a slip stitch, and I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to put tassels on. So here's the scarf. Here is the granny scarf, and it's about, okay, see how long it is? It's about 65 inches. And I used, I'm gonna say one whole cake. I used 1 whole cake, and I'm gonna say maybe 1/4 of the other cake, of the second cake I had. I just used, maybe not, well, I am going to use 1/4 or maybe a little more than 1/4 more because I'm doing tassels. So just so you see that it took 1 whole cake and some of the second cake, and I'm going to add tassels. Alrighty? I hope you enjoyed the video. I always enjoy seeing you. And I'm going to show you a picture of the scarf when I'm done. You'll see a picture. Okay? So until next time, take care, everybody.